WiseSocial's Powered by Back at You Media is a built-in social media marketing tool inside WiseAgent that helps you stay visible, promote your listings, and generate leads automatically. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to activate WiseSocial and connect your accounts, customize your settings, and start your marketing business right away. From the inside menu, click on Marketing, then select WiseSocial. If you haven't activated yet, you'll see a setup window appear. Go ahead and click Get Started. From here, select the team member or members you would like to activate WiseSocial for. Then click Register. If anything is missing, like a phone number, you'll be prompted to add it before continuing. Once everything is validated, you'll be taken to your billing page. You'll see a WiseSocial added at $20 per month per user. Click Update Payment to continue your activation. Once that's done, you can access WiseSocial anytime through the marketing menu. Now that you activated, click back into WiseSocial. You will be automatically signed into your dashboard. This is where you manage your contacts, track performance, and access all your marketing tools. The first step is connecting your social media accounts. You may see a pop-up guiding through this, but if not, you can always click the account icon in the top right corner to access your settings. This includes Facebook and Instagram, which must be connected as business pages, and platforms like LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube, which can either be personal or business accounts. Once connected, WiseSocial will be able to post content directly to your accounts automatically. Next, let's update your profile. Under the gear icon, click into the profile settings. Here, you'll want to confirm and update your display name, your contact information, your bio, and your website link. Your bio will be used on any landing pages created through WiseSocial. Next, head over to Brand Settings tab. This is where you'll upload your logo and set your brand colors. These elements will automatically be applied to your post and marketing materials, so everything stays consistent and professional. Now let's move on to contact settings. This is where you decide what WiseSocial posts for you. You can select from a variety of contact categories, including real estate tips, market updates, videos, and lead generation posts. You'll also want to localize your content by entering your city and zip code. And make sure your time zone is set up correctly, so your posts go out at the right time. Then choose your posting frequency. Once you save your settings, WiseSocial will begin scheduling posts automatically. Now let's connect your listings. Click into Listing section, then select Connect Now. From here, enter your MLS ID, or one of your listing numbers. Once connected, WiseSocial will automatically post new listings, share price updates, and even create listing videos for you. You can also customize your listing captions, design styles, and video templates. For best results, make sure the Auto Post Your Listing setting is turned on under the Listing Automation section. WiseSocial also includes advertising features if you wanted to expand your reach even further. You can also boost posts or run listing ads to a targeted audience. Just keep in mind, advertising is optional and required a separate budget that you control. Next, let's take a look at lead generation. In the Landing Pages section, you'll find built-in landing pages tools like home valuation forms, contact forms, and customizable lead capture pages. These could be shared directly to your social media. When someone submits their form, that lead is automatically added to WiseSocial and pushed directly into your WiseAgent CRM. No extra steps required. To review your post, head over to the Content Calendar. Here you can preview upcoming posts, edit caption or images, or delete anything you don't want to be published. Finally, your dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your performance. You'll be able to track engagement, reach, and even how much time you're saving through automation. Once you're set up, WiseSocial will handle your social media and listing promotions automatically, helping you stay visible, build your brand, and generate leads without adding more to your plate. If you have any questions or need help getting started, our Wise Agent support team is available 24/7 and always happy to help. You can reach us at help@wiseagent.com or by phone at 480-836-0345. Thanks again for being a part of the Wise Agent community, and we'll see you in the next video.